Alright, we got this Mustang here with the check engine light. This is the code we get when we scanned it. P0496 evap high purge flow. Mustangs are very common for having this issue with the purge valve. The purge valve gets stuck open and causes it to flow too much. Remove this cover. Ew, a 4-banger. This is the purge valve right here. These get stuck open, so they just suck way too much evap vapors through the hose and they go straight into the intake. But if it gets stuck open, that means it's just constant sucking. Super easy way to test this thing is that you basically blow on this end, and if air comes out on this end, this thing is stuck open. So I did blow on this end and the air just passes through, which means this thing is stuck open. Here we have our new one, same exact thing, it's just new. If you blow into this one, it's completely sealed, so that's how it should be. Now we just hook everything back up. Now we just clear the codes, and that's it, no more check engine light.